What if aging were just an option? The immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, is the only known animal that can reverse its life cycle. Unlike humans and most creatures, it does not move steadily toward old age and death. Instead, when injured, starved, or under stress, it transforms back into a youthful polyp stage, essentially restarting its life. This makes it biologically immortal, meaning it does not age in the normal sense. Of course, it can still die from predators or disease, but it avoids natural aging altogether. This tiny jellyfish, only a few millimeters long, carries one of the greatest mysteries of biology inside its fragile body. How does this magical reset really work? The key lies in a process called transdifferentiation, where the jellyfish's adult cells change back into young, versatile cells. Imagine if a human's skin cells could turn into brain cells or muscle cells again. That's what the jellyfish does naturally. By reorganizing its cell structure, it can rebuild itself from an adult into a juvenile stage. Scientists are amazed because this is the closest thing to natural immortality found in the animal kingdom. Every reset gives the jellyfish another chance at survival, making it the ultimate escape artist from aging. Its secret could one day inspire anti-aging medicine for humans. Why would a jellyfish need immortality? Life in the ocean is full of dangers, predators, changing temperatures, starvation, and storms. Most animals can only endure until they die, but the immortal jellyfish has found a unique solution. Instead of dying, it recycles itself. When threatened, it sinks to the ocean floor and transforms into a tiny colony of polyps, restarting its life cycle in safety. This ability gives it endless chances to try again, even after disaster. While predators like fish may still eat them, those that survive can potentially live forever. In a way, the ocean has its own time traveler, quietly resetting the clock whenever needed. Could this tiny jellyfish hold the key to immortality? To scientists, the immortal jellyfish is more than just a curiosity. It is a window into aging and regeneration. By studying its abilities, researchers hope to uncover ways to slow human aging, fight diseases, and perhaps even extend lifespan. For now, it remains a symbol of the eternal cycle of life, proving that death is not always the final chapter. Despite its small size, it has captured global attention as one of the most extraordinary survivors on the planet. The immortal jellyfish is living proof that nature still hides secrets beyond imagination. It is the closest thing to forever life we know. What if losing your body didn't mean death? The planarian flatworm is a tiny creature with an extraordinary gift. It can regrow its entire body from the smallest fragment. Scientists discovered that if you cut a planarian into pieces, each piece can regenerate into a complete new worm. This power makes them seem almost immortal. Their ability comes from a unique supply of stem cells, which can transform into any type of tissue needed. While most animals rely on healing wounds, planarians rebuild themselves like living puzzles. They are nature's proof that death doesn't always come when the body is broken. It can simply be rebuilt. How do planarians keep regenerating without limits? The secret lies in their neoblasts, special stem cells that make up about 20% of their body. These cells are like biological building blocks, capable of transforming into muscle, nerves, skin, and even brain tissue. When a planarian is injured, these neoblasts rush to the wound, multiplying and reshaping the missing parts. Unlike humans, who can only heal scars, planarians can rebuild organs from scratch. This process has fascinated scientists who dream of using similar methods for human medicine. Imagine regrowing a lost limb or even repairing a damaged spinal cord. That's the power planarians hold naturally. What if you could replace your old cells forever? The planarian is not only able to regenerate, but also to resist the effects of aging. Their cells constantly renew and recycle, keeping the worm young indefinitely. Unlike humans, whose cells eventually stop dividing, planarian stem cells remain active for life. This means they may never truly grow old. Scientists believe that, in theory, a planarian could live forever unless killed by a predator or extreme conditions. Their endless renewal cycle makes them one of the most extraordinary immortality models in nature. In them, we see the dream of eternal youth in action. Can a tiny worm teach us the secret of immortality? The planarian flatworm might hold answers to some of medicine's biggest mysteries. Now, researchers are studying them to understand how to control stem cells, repair organs, and possibly reverse aging in humans. If we can unlock their secret, diseases like Alzheimer's, paralysis, and organ failure might one day be curable. For now, these flatworms remain humble teachers in the lab, quietly holding the key to life without limits. The planarian proves that even the simplest animals can carry the most powerful secrets of survival and renewal. Truly, it is the worm that cheats death. What if I told you a shark could outlive entire empires? The Greenland shark is the longest living vertebrate ever discovered, with some individuals estimated to be over 400 years old. That means a shark born in the early 1600s could still be swimming today. Their secret lies in their slow metabolism, adapted to the freezing waters of the North Atlantic. These sharks grow just 1 centimeter per year, making them living examples of slow but steady survival. Unlike most animals, they don't rush through life, they stretch it across centuries. The Greenland shark is truly an ancient witness of history. How can a shark live for centuries? The answer is in its slow growth rate and unique biology. Greenland sharks can take more than 150 years just to reach sexual maturity, which is longer than most animals live in total. Their bodies are built for endurance, conserving energy in the deep, icy waters. By moving slowly and eating opportunistically, they avoid unnecessary risks. Scientists believe their cold environment preserves tissues and slows down aging. This makes the Greenland shark a model of how slowness becomes survival. In nature, patience isn't weakness, it's the secret to extraordinary longevity. What does it take to survive in the harshest seas? The Greenland shark thrives in dark, icy waters where few predators exist. Its flesh contains a special compound called TMAO, which protects it from the pressure and cold of the deep sea. These sharks feed on fish, squid, and even scavenge on whale carcasses, proving their adaptability. Despite their size growing up to 7 meters long, they move slowly, conserving energy for survival. This lifestyle minimizes danger and maximizes lifespan. By avoiding conflict and living in isolation, the Greenland shark ensures its place as a true survivor of extremes. Could this shark be the key to understanding aging? The Greenland shark is more than a curiosity. It is a living time capsule. Scientists have studied its tissues to learn how it resists diseases and aging for centuries. Its heart beats slowly, its body repairs itself gradually, and its life stretches across multiple human generations. These sharks are like guardians of the deep, quietly existing while the world above changes. They prove that survival is not only about power, but about endurance and adaptation. The Greenland shark is a legend of the sea, a creature that cheats death by turning time into an ally.